Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be exploring animation in Google Slides. Let's get started. To begin, you can click on this image here to create your own copy of the sample. In Google Slides, there's two main ways I like to animate. Animating the object or the shape, or animating with lots of slides, which is more like stop motion animation. When clicking on an object, you can see this little word animate right up here at the top. You could also right click and see the word animate right over here as well. That's going to pull up this menu here. Let's take a look at it. So there's lots of different options for things to do motion wise, but it's how you're timing it. So is it happening on the click? Is it happening after the previous animation has stopped, or is it happening with the previous animation? And it's figuring out these things and having it layered in the correct order that's going to get you the motion that you're looking for on a single slide. Now, if you're wanting to animate on multiple slides, you're going to do something a little different. You're going to have an object and you say you want it to move. You're going to right click and duplicate the slide. Say I want this cloud to move over, move. Now I'm going to right click and duplicate and move that. Right click and duplicate. And let's right click over here and are y'all seeing the pattern? So that's giving us that motion is going through those different slides. Well, I cannot wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.